Noah came out, his sons came out, his wife and their wives, and all the beasts and all the birds, the creatures that crawl, left two by two and all.
To the Lord, took of every clean bird and every clean beast, offered burnt offerings on the altar. The Lord inhaled the aroma and said,
Never again will I destroy every living thing because of man, because the thoughts of man are evil. From the day he landed,
the thoughts of man, the thoughts of man,
the thoughts of man,
the thoughts of man, the thoughts of man,
the thoughts of man. He said, the ground will never again be cursed for man's sake.
he said,
While the earth remains, while the earth remains, there will be night and day, and seasons and rain, and planting and harvest time. Cold and heat will stay, and seed time.
and seed time. Then Noah built an altar to the Lord, took of every clean bird and every clean beast, offered burnt offerings on the altar. The Lord inhaled the aroma and said,
Never